Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome again to another episode of J Vlogs. Now, I started making videos 10 months ago. At the start of making video, I was using my BlackBerry, a smartphone. This camera wasn't too good, so I had a little problems when making videos and stuff like that. Here it is. It's still going strong and it still do the job. So now, at that point, the fifth vlog that I made was actually 7 things a man need to know when dating a Jamaican woman. And surprisingly, that has been the most successful video for me so far, and I really appreciate that. Right now, it's 839 views so far, and it keeps growing every single day, so I really appreciate that. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to do a part 2 to that, and I hope you guys enjoyed. So this is 5 to 7 things a man need to know when dating a Jamaican woman. No, we're vibrant people, you have to keep that in mind. So if you're dating a Jamaican woman or want to date a Jamaican woman, ensure that you're not a boring type of guy. Ensure that you're spontaneous and you're willing to go out and have fun and just enjoy yourself and be yourself around her. So for instance, your woman or your girlfriend or the girl that you're trying to date want to go to a party and she asks you to come, don't turn down that opportunity. Ensure that you attend that party with her. The reason is Jamaican women like to have their boyfriend around. They like to have the person they're dating around, especially at a party. It's in our culture to dance and wine and stuff like that. So ensure that you're there with your girl, your woman. Ensure that you're in the party with her. Even if you can't dance, rock with her. Let her teach you how to dance. Just let her do her thing and feel confident that you're actually there with her. If you're not there and she's the type that likes to dance, then some other guy is going to dance with her. But moving right along, the next thing I want to look at is, I know a lot of people date Jamaican woman or go out to Jamaican woman, and you see that a Jamaican woman put herself together. She dressed nice, she always has swag. She always has swag, she always put herself together, always looking good. 99% of Jamaican women love to put on their clothes, they love to dress up. But that doesn't mean they don't want their boyfriend to look good as well. So as a man, you have to take it upon yourself to have swag. If you're feeling insecure about that and you don't know how to dress to a certain type of party and you're not the party type of person, ask her and she will tell you, hey, this is what I like. Some Jamaican woman will take the initiative and put on, certain clothes or put, matching clothes and stuff like that, and allow you to wear that, and that is very good. But ensure that if you're not living with the individual, ensure that you go online and see what is in style and ask her what she like, and just be comfortable and wear things that are swagful, I guess. But yeah, ensure that you dress, appropriately, and ensure that you dress nice when going out and stuff with a Jamaican woman. Next thing I want to look at is Jamaican women are not prejudiced. Yes, we're not. So if you're dating a Jamaican woman and you're of Asian descent, you're of European descent, if you're American, whatever culture you're from, Jamaican women are open-minded and they do mix and mingle, and they talk to different type of guys. And the reason for this is, we're out of many one people. That is our motto, out of many one people. That simply means that our culture was built on with many different culture. Black, Indian, Chinese, all sets, all walk of life. You have people living in Jamaica, and we mix and mingle. No matter what color you are, if you're white, black, we don't care. We will talk to you, we will date you. We're not prejudiced people. So if you're feeling insecure as a man or a white man, thinking that, oh, she's black and I'm white, get that out of your mind. Who cares? She doesn't care. She will date you for your personality. Jamaican women like men with good personalities. So ensure that you take out that prejudice thought or racist thought out of your head and saying that Jamaican woman might not like you because you're white. So get rid of that. Next thing I want to look at is Jamaican women like men that are caring and kind and pamper them. Jamaican women like to be pampered. Every woman like to be pampered, but come on. Jamaican women, they like to be pampered, and they will appreciate you for that. So if you can literally care for them, massage them, rub their feet, check up on them, express your love to them, show them that you actually care about them, then you're winning. You're going to win. You can't lose when you actually put in the work and actually show them that, hey, I'm your man and I'm here for you, and this is what I will do, and show it. Jamaican women don't like abusive men. Try not to be abusive, especially verbal abuse. Jamaican women don't like that, and no woman like that. Don't abuse any woman at all. Don't abuse Jamaican woman. She will just get away from you. She'll find a way to get away from you, and you would be surprised. So be careful where that is concerned, and don't put her down. Don't say hurtful stuff, and this goes for every woman out there as well. So the next thing I want to look at is a Jamaican woman. If you're dating a Jamaican woman, just know that she won't stamp on your ego. She won't treat you in a manner that is disrespectful. She won't be the type of woman to talk down to you or disrespect you, unless you trigger her to that extent where it's going to be called for. But Jamaican women, they're very understanding, and you can rest assured that they will respect you. Once you treat them with respect, it is in our nature for them to be caring and kind and respectful. Jamaican woman, you rub them the right way and they will respond the right way. If you rub them the wrong way, they will respond accordingly. Jamaican women are like that, and they know when somebody has respect and care for them. So even if you're arguing with a Jamaican woman and you use no expletive at all, not all but some, they won't use it back, because it's based on how you approach them. That's how they're going to respond to you. So be mindful of your language towards Jamaican women, because they don't tolerate certain stuff. So be very, very careful where that is concerned. The next thing that I want to look at is Jamaican women don't talk bad about themselves. They don't use words like twat, bitches, excuse my language. They don't put down themselves. In fact, Jamaican women uplift themselves. They're hardworking. They try to always be one step ahead. They try to always achieve greatness. They're always dressing up. They're always looking good. They're always, they're just always doing good things. You won't see them calling themselves that. And I rarely ever hear my female friends calling themselves bitch and stuff like that, compared to other culture that I've experienced. American female calling themselves bitches and whores and stuff. No, they don't do that, So that's one of the things I like with Jamaican women, and I'm not being biased where that is concerned. But these are some of the things I want to look at, and I hope this was informative to you. I hope this video come across as more mild compared to my first video. I know I was just starting out and the language wasn't that good, the quality wasn't that good. But I hope I do a better job now compared to my first one. We have to grow, in this YouTube. So I'm still growing, and I appreciate you for tuning in and watching my vlogs, J Vlogs, Mark Plunkett. I enjoy your comments. So leave a comment below. Tell me how you feel. If you would date a Jamaican woman, if you're dating a Jamaican woman, tell me how you feel about it, and let us have a discussion below in the comments. So remember to subscribe to J Vlogs. I post videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. So look out for more interesting topics like these, interesting videos, and just enjoy the channel. Remember to subscribe and share. Leave a comment. It is free. Just enjoy the video, share it, and just tell me how you feel about it. Thanks again, people. I'm out.